Hello and welcome back to another video of Gang Beasts.
And yes, I'm back and you can actually hear me this time.
Alright, I'm being Rick again and he's the bear, as you'll be
Yeah.
able to tell on the title. Oh,
For the thumbnail.
yeah. Alright, you ready?
Let's start.
Yeah. Morty died last time. He had a heart attack from when I killed him over and over and over
I
again.
know what this game is about. You basically just beat the crap out of each other and you have to try to find a way to kill each other. So it's a pretty fun game. Why don't you shut the door? David! Go, David.
I don't ever crap of what you tell me.
And
What,
this one is going to be a special one because I'm not going to do any edits because I feel pretty lazy today.
and I feel like I'm getting some cone. And some of the stuff?
Oh, yes, please.
Too bad.
Oh.
Though if you
My
want,
hand's stuck in the wall. Get out of
if you want some,
I don't jump.
num num.
I
num.
have to go get my cone.
I'm knocked out.
I don't care.
Right.
I want the cone.
Alright,
Okay.
alright.
No, I don't like the vending machine. That's not a vending machine. I need to get rid of these vending machines, Caleb. Never get the. No, I need to get rid of the vending machine. No. No. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm back alive. Oh.
Aww.
Oh.
We got hit at the exact same time. First round was a success.
Yeah, it was.
Don't yell.
No, but I do because I was this exact lane from you. Mopping up the floor.
Can you not yell?
You always pressing some pepper and music. But then they can't hear us.
They can. I speak like this all the time and they hear me.
Because the microphone's right in front of your face.
Look at
You
it.
want me to be like this?
Wait.
Okay.
They could hear you over. Right, they could hear you over there without yelling. With headphone uses. So, okay, I'm gonna kill this bear. Like it said, like the thumbnail said, run. What? I just
That's
did.
only on the grinders map. Okay.
That's on all the maps.
It killed me. No.
Aha.
You won.
You were closest to being unconscious.
Oh. I was. Oh, yeah, by the way, turns out the screen will put it actually shows on the screen, but it doesn't.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like, and comment.
That's the video. No, I'm kidding. Okay, throw it in the meat.
No, not this time.
I got you.
You little chicken nugget.
I'm gonna get you.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
The bear's really weak.
Are you being bearish?
I can't pick him up.
I just heard a fart sound.
Well, I can't hear a thing.
Of course,
Because Caleb's wearing the headphones.
it's for science.
Oh, come on.
Morty. Alright, watch me whip.
No.
Now watch me nay. Morty. Wait, you're not Morty.
Losing.
Yep.
So suck at this game.
You won last time.
Wait, I just need to tell something. Wait, I can hear it.
Really?
No.
Oh. Run away, can I show you?
just put on my headphones.
Can I?
I'm gonna choke you. You're dead. Oh, what? I'm dead. Oh, no, I'm alive.
Ah.
Recipe headphone users.
Nope. I'm currently winning. Yay.
Oh,
Hey, Ryan, mate, where about you push up that, could you move up the laptop? It looks like it's about to fall off.
No, it's not.
It looks like it.
Okay, this much of this. Sorry, guys. This laptop looks like it's about to fall off.
Ah!
Right.
You stupid bear.
Die, right.
You just already knocked me out.
No.
Aww.
Yay.
Fall in the bucket.
It legit killed you, I'm not lying, and I got an achievement for it one time.
Yeah, I went through him and he went directly in the middle. Anyway, if we don't get
Now
if we somehow do not get the grinders whatsoever, we will play this again until we get the grinders.
Yeah, because of course from the thumbnail you can see the background is grinding.
Yeah, and he's gonna run. He's gonna have to
Yeah,
run.
because of the thumbnail.
How? How? I was above you. I was above
You
him.
hit the brick.
Guys, tell me if he's hacking down in the comments below. Leave a like if he's hacking.
No, you hit the brick, okay? You hit the brick.
I
The
did.
brick killed you.
Yeah, but you fell on the
Apart
map.
from all the beatings you've taken, a brick killed you. Oh, no, you got a concussion.
Wait, can I do it?
But this time the brain.
Concussion.
But your brain
Concussion.
actually flew out. Your brain actually flew out of your ear. You stepped in a bucket, okay? Stepped in a bucket.
I broke that glass for a reason, Riley.
Why, to put you in it?
No, to put you in it. I like eating.
Mean. Why would you ever do a thing?
Why would they ever do a thing?
Why would you put a living bear?
Why would you put a living human?
dressed up in a bear?
Wait, you're a human? I thought you were Riley. Long live the king. What if I take this down? Hi.
You won't be able to get me.
Yeah.
I suck at this.
You were winning. See, look, go. You could just start climbing up and grab onto that sign. Oh, look, my favorite map to not break anything in. As soon as you break one thing, this map lags the flip.
So I'm gonna break something. Let me break it. Oh, Jesus.
Throw me in if you dare. You dare! You dare die!
There we go.
Oh.
I was sitting down and flew.
Alright.
This.
Luckily that was the end, because if it was in the middle of our fight,
Oh, we made a rule that Ken
Nope.
has to summon Dunstan in this
but you know I'm gonna do them right on you.
one. You can't if I hold on to the Ferris wheel.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Oh, you did one inside my car.
I told you I'll do them right on you.
That's just like the game. Do what
Yep.
I do.
Nope. You know, if you give me permission to do it, I will do.
Oh. Did I fall? Oh, no, I'm still here.
Hello.
Oh, a dumpster. I'm going to hide inside the dumpster so nothing bad can happen to me.
What about another dumpster?
No, dumpster's trying to harm me no more. We'll never be able to harm me ever again.
Alright, I'm hopefully I win these fights.
My dumpster.
There's a trap anywhere here.
My dumpster, my
Right.
rules. My dumpster, my rules.
That dumpster was a trap! Right, you gonna go to your dumpster?
No, I don't like it. but I only love, I love nothing more than my dumpster.
Then why don't you go to your dumpster?
Oh! Oh, yes!
No! How? How?
I'm the best at this game.
No, you know what? You're a blue bear. Like in the thumbnail, you're supposed to die. Over
Only on the cone.
and over
Okay, fine.
and over.
I ate too much cone.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, ready? I ate too much cone.
Alright, time to do.
Yeah, I'm in a spaceship. Yes. I'm still alive. How did I
just slapped Riley on the face.
No, you didn't.
Exactly.
Oh, I'm an ow, he did.
I didn't. Don't worry. Don't worry. Anyone
Child abuse.
that
Child to child.
anyone that's seen.
teenager to child abuse.
Hey Riley,
You're technically a teenager.
I'm a
Technically
tween.
teen, yeah.
I jumped. I jumped.
Yeah, I had too much time.
No, I jumped. Okay, I'm coming back. I'm making a comeback. I'm making a comeback. Are you now?
Are you sure about it? Wait, I want to complete a, what you call it? A achievement. Hey,
I done it.
Okay, just get even so many dumpsters on mine.
No, look at
Do
mine.
the sheep? No, all the things have to be off. So we have to do this achievement.
Didn't work.
Wait, what? Why didn't it work?
Maybe because the hook detached.
Oh no, we had to survive it. Oh. So
But I survived
if
it.
you didn't, no, if you got rid of all yours, you would have the achievement. God damn it!
Don't say that, right? You're a Christian. For the last time, Christians are not allowed to say that.
Oh, I thought I was rich. No, this is my stuff.
And this is
Too
your
much.
This is the punishment.
I'm sleeping. No, this is my bed.
That's punishment. Okay.
Someone's going to take like 50 times.
What?
I'm really going to take like 2 times. Every 10 billion to that.
Yeah. And you
50
pray. You pray. So do I. Okay, I know.
For money? Yes.
No, for God.
Yabby dabby da. Get going. No, I like this ball. It's a spaceship ball. This is the fire. I love cracking fire. Oh. No. No. I don't know what I'm doing. Where is that water gone?
I just instantly fall down.
You're winning now because
Yeah.
you're on 7 and we have
Oh,
more
wait.
than the...
We haven't.
You're just gonna have to die, okay? Okay.
Never.
Hold on. Don't stand here. Sorry, we just have to get up to the garages. Oh, I'm stuck. You literally are on the...
I thought you're going. Oh, please. Please, the king. Please. Okay, this should be. This should be.
Yay!
Yay, now you're gonna die. Cause run.
No, that's the thumbnail. It was the thing.
Okay, do what you. Okay.
I have to run.
Wait a minute. Alright. Right. Hey, Riley, wanna say something? Run, 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 run. Run, I say.
Go on.
Flashbang.
I remember this video has no edits because I'm being too lazy to do them.
Wait a minute. Dumpsters.
So remember, this video is going to have absolutely no edits.
And remember to subscribe, hit the like button, don't forget to hit the bell as well, and leave a comment. And bye.